Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, today this is our EVS online class, and as you all know that last week we have completed our fill in the blanks in the notebooks. Okay, exercise of fill in the blanks I gave you last week to complete, and I hope you all have completed it. Now today we are going to complete our question answers. Okay, so there are 6 question answers. I am going to explain you first, and then with this video I will give you an assignment in which question answers will be given, and you will write from that assignment in your notebooks. Okay, so let's get started. First of all children, you will write on a new page. You will write down today's date. Then you will write lesson 9 useful plants. You will give the heading, and then in the next line you will give the heading part C question and answers. Is that clear? Now the first question, name the parts of the plant. This question I have added in your chapter. It is not given in your book, but I have added this because first of all you should always know what are the parts, how many parts are there in a plant, and what are the main parts of the plant. Okay, so I have added this question. So first question is, name the parts of the plant. So the answer is, the parts of a plant are root, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Is it clear children? प्लांट के कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं, कौन कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं? रूट, स्टेम, ब्रांचेस, लीव्स, फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स. रूट क्या होता है? जड़, जिससे पेड़, जमीन के नीचे जो रूट्स होती है, जो जड़ होती है, वो होता है रूट्स. स्टेम इज जो जमीन से उगता है प्लांट, तो वो पूरा जो उसकी स्टेम होता है वो स्टेम होता है. ओके, जो उसकी जिसमें से ब्रांचेस एंड ऑल निकलते हैं वो उसका स्टेम होता है. देन ब्रांचेस आर जिसमें आपके लीव्स होते हैं, जो स्टेम में से बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस फैल जाती हैं इधर से उधर, दैट आर ब्रांचेस. देन लीव्स, ब्रांचेस में लीव्स निकलते हैं, पत्तियां. देन फ्लावर्स and then fruits. Okay, root, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits are the parts of a plant. Now the next question is, name the foods that we get from plants. कौन कौन से food हमें plant से मिलते हैं? We get cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices and oil from the plants. Cereals like गेहूं, चावल, ठीक है, this we get from plants. Pulses are your दाल, दालें we get from plants. Fruits, vegetables, spices, masale and oil from the plants. Is that clear? Third question, name the plants that give us fiber. Now children, what is fiber? So what are fibers? Fiber is used to make clothes. You all know that. So the answer is, the plants that give us fiber are cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are the main fibers. Okay, cotton is used to make clothes, jute is used to make sacks, mats, jute bags. Okay, so these are the two fibers. Now coming to question number 4, name the seeds that are crushed to get cooking oil. कौन से seeds को हम crush करते हैं cooking oil के लिए? Answer is, we get cooking oil from the seeds of groundnut, that is मूंगफली, mustard, that is सरसों, sunflower and coconut. Okay, we get cooking oil from the seeds of groundnut, mustard, sunflower and coconut. इन seeds को crush करके, इनके seeds को crush करके we get cooking oil. Is that clear children? Now coming to question number 5, name the 2 medicinal plants. What are medicinal plants children? The plants that are used for medicines, used for making medicines, or they are used as medicines. The 2 medicinal plants are neem and tulsi. Is that clear? Question number 6, विच डिजीज इज क्योर्ड बाय क्विनाइन प्लांट? क्विनाइन प्लांट से कौन सी डिजीज सही होती है? मलेरिया. आंसर इज मलेरिया इज क्योर्ड बाय क्विनाइन प्लांट. सो these are 6 question and answers for this chapter, children. I hope you all have understood these question answers and you will now complete these question answers in your notebooks. Okay, so please complete this work very neatly, very carefully, without making any mistakes. And in my next video I will give you parts of a plant to draw and I will show you also. Okay, till then complete your work till here. Till then, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.